The exams performed in your radiology department give physicians critical information that allows them to diagnose and treat patients quickly and help deliver quality patient care. You and your staff work hard to schedule patients and efficiently deliver clinical reports to physicians and patients. But sometimes things happen unexpectedly that are out of your control, like a tube failure in one of your CT scanners. Unplanned downtime caused by tube failure disrupts everything. It interrupts patient care and wreaks havoc on staff work schedules that can result in lost revenue. Patients may even decide to go elsewhere for their exams. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to reduce the risk of unexpected tube failure? Well, there is. TubeWatch is GE HealthCare's predictive tube service, available on all interventional image-guided systems. The Revolution EVO, Revolution Apex, and the Optimus 660 CT scanner with Perform X Plus tube. TubeWatch is an artificial intelligence-driven solution that helps predict potential tube failures with high accuracy. How does it work? Leveraging artificial intelligence, machine learning, and software analytics, TubeWatch builds a digital twin model of your system. It simulates real-world situations with high accuracy. GE HealthCare service engineers remotely evaluate the automated feedback monitored from your system and its digital twin for tube health indicators and trends. Predictive algorithms use data from your scanner to help prevent a tube failure before it occurs. When an indicator is received, the system can be repaired remotely, or the GE field engineer is contacted. A new tube is ordered before the existing tube fails, and the scanner gets restored. Service can be scheduled at a convenient time to help avoid disruption of patients and staff. Costs for the tube replacement and labor hours are governed by your CT service contract. Plus, if a tube fails unexpectedly, we guarantee a full credit of your annual TubeWatch premium. TubeWatch gives you more control and peace of mind so you can help provide an environment where patients receive their exams as scheduled. Physicians quickly get the information they need. Technologists' work schedules are not disrupted. You can avoid unexpected downtime that could adversely impact revenue for your department. And radiologists and staff can return home to their families on time. It's time to stop worrying about unexpected tube failure. Contact your GE HealthCare sales representative and add TubeWatch to your service contract today.